Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today y'all, we jumping right into this look. It came out so cute. You guys loved it on Instagram. I loved it. It's probably one of my favorite looks of the year and just period so far. So let's get right into it. This unit is from West Kiss, you guys. I will list all the specifics down below in the description box, but I love West Kiss hair, mainly because their units are always pre-plucked and the hair quality is always so nice. It is definitely top tier in my opinion. It's always so soft, and this curly unit is no different, you guys. I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this, deep conditioned, all that great stuff, and the curls were just amazing. The hair was crazy soft. I can go on and on, but I will not. I will save that for, I don't know, maybe later in this video. But yeah, y'all know what I'm doing here. If you don't, just doing my normal meltdown routine. I don't do anything too complicated, too like crazy. I just take my hairspray, throw it on my forehead, melt it down with my blow dryer, and I'm using the back of my combs to rat tail comb, all that good stuff to get it nice and melted. Cut the lace off, and of course you still want to go back in with a little bit of hairspray just to make sure you've got everything nice and melted so no lace is sticking up. It's nice and flush to your skin. And then here I'm just using a little bit of alcohol to wipe off the excess hairspray that's all over my forehead. So this is how we're looking. If you are not a I'm laying my edges kind of girl, you can, completely skip this part. But if you are like I am, especially when it comes to curly hair like this, shoulder length that I have really been loving this year, I'm gonna lay these edges. So I'm just carving out the front, just gonna do 2 swoops on the side. And I feel like whenever I do this kind of style, like big curly hair, I like to have exaggerated edges. Like sometimes it's necessary, sometimes it's not, but in this case it completely is so necessary. And then I'm using my Design Essentials foam like I always do to lay my edges. And the black wrap strip that I'm using now, you guys, are the Kiss wrap strips. Y'all, I use some other ones for years. They were still good. I clearly kept using them, but I just found these. I guess I'll insert a picture right here. These wrap strips to mold the hair. I use them, of course, to lay my edges in, blow dry once everything is all said and done. They are amazing. They're so strong, you guys. They are so strong. You can like stretch them. I don't know. I'm loving them, digging them. Definitely a must-have. All right, y'all, so next let's get into these curls and how we're going to style it. First off, I want to say the curls are beautiful as is. I'm just adding a little extra flair to it because I've been loving doing this on short curly hair. But just know, if all you wanted to do was just what I'm doing here, spraying a little bit of water, adding a little bit of product, I'm using the Cream of Nature flaxseed gel, and then I'll top it with a tiny bit, not a whole bunch, of my Design Essentials, just for a little bit of hold. Y'all, that's all you have to do and move on to the next. This is a super cute vacation wig, easy styling. Y'all, my point is the hair is beautiful, the curls are beautiful as is, but of course I'm gonna do a little bit more to it. So just to the top layer right in the front, I'm gonna add some Flexi rods. I think I did about 5 on each side and 1 in the middle, something like that. So make sure you got about 10 Flexi rods for this. You could really make them as big or as small as you want to, depending on how much definition you have. I was just going for just a kind of a bigger curl. I don't know what to call it, you guys. I just like how the ends end up looking with the little curly cute ends. So yeah, just using that foam. I'm not adding anything extra and just doing some flexi rods right in the front. You're gonna pop these on both sides, and of course make sure they're tight but not super tight. For instance, I didn't have a lot of time for these to sit and like for me to sit underneath the dryer, so I didn't want to make them too tight so that the air couldn't get to them so that it could dry, if that makes sense. Also, y'all, with vacation time being here, if you want to do this style and of course you are not lugging around big old like dryers that we have to sit under, don't forget that Amazon, and I will link it below because I think I got mine from Amazon, has like that foldable, packable, hooded dryer attachment. Literally, you guys, if you fold it up, it's really easy. It takes like 2 seconds. It's probably the size of a sports bra or something like that. Just in case you got weddings going on, any kind of special event, or if you're just on vacation and just want your hair to just be looking good, make sure you check into that. It's really cheap, but it is so necessary. That's all I use at home. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the same to this side, and then I did sit underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes, and then we'll see how this came out in the next steps. All right, you guys, so once I felt like this was dry enough and I was just running out of time, I went on ahead and took out my flexi rods, and to my surprise, which was not really a big surprise, they were still a little bit damp on the ends. And so here's the key to this style and getting your curls how you really want to. Make sure your ends more than your roots are dry. Like, I really make sure the ends are dry because I really love the curl on the end, and then I just work my way up to the root. So once I got it how I needed it, which probably was not even 5 minutes of using my diffuser, I'm just undoing the curls, just undoing them, shaking them out, fluffing them up, all that great stuff, you guys. I'm also gonna clip a few strands right in the front. Luckily, this unit already came like layered for you, so y'all, that is a major plus because cutting curly hair is so difficult. It is not easy for me to do. So yeah, so this is already layered for you. You're ready to go. I just added, of course, a little bit of powder on my hairline and my part, and then I'm using a little bit of hairspray just to fluff it all up. And that was pretty much it for this look, y'all. This came out so good, so good. I got so many compliments, y'all. I will list this unit, all the specifics, like every other video. All the details on this unit will be down below for you guys. West Kiss, you guys did such a great job. Thank you so much for sending me this to showcase on my channel to review for my audience. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. Also, if you have not liked this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know if you've tried this flexi rod technique out, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
If somebody's heaven, tell me who.